Hi everyone! It may seem like turning off or restarting a Samsung A27 should be simple, but if you've already tried to do it and nothing happened, don't worry, you're about to get it working. In this video, I'll show you not just one, but several ways to turn off and restart your Samsung A27. One of these methods is especially useful if the side buttons have stopped working or if your phone has frozen and isn't responding to any button presses. Most users only know the first method and don't even realize there's a more convenient option that can save you time in the future. I'll also show you what to do if the regular way of turning off the phone doesn't work. So grab your Samsung A27 and let's find out how to quickly turn off or restart your phone in just a few seconds.